Hey, welcome back to the Livewire Lab. It's a little tighter today because of this giant box. It's the SVS SB-5000. Let's get into it. It's a sealed cabinet design, which means super tight base. It's got a sleek black finish, so it just melts into your room. And then it's got a massive 13.5-inch driver that's custom built for this application and custom built to melt your face. On the back end of things, it's got 1,500 watts of RMS power. That's a lot. That's the maximum that you can legally put on one circuit. It's got RCA, it's got XLR, and you can even control the thing with the Bluetooth app. If you want low end that slaps and sounds pristine, this sub is it. Call us up at Livewire, let us install it, let us dial it in, hit us up, schedule a consultation, and let's get loud. Has he got me? You understand? Are you with me? Are you following?